Hello dear friends. Today in our video review we present you rejuvenating stylish haircuts for women. Watch the review to the end and you might even watch the most amazing fashionable haircut for yourself. Every woman wants to always look young and attractive, even if she has crossed the threshold of 40, 50, 60 years. This is a common desire of any female representative. A large number of variations of haircuts today are offered by master. Such haircuts as bob care, pixie, or combined pixie bob is a universal haircut that looks perfect on any hair. If your hair is thin, the haircut will add volume. If it is too thick, it will add lightness to the hairstyle. In addition, haircuts can be decorated with oblique, torn, elongated straight, or asymmetrical bangs, which will make the image even more attractive and tempting. Among other preferences, also consider the shape of your face to visually correct age-related imperfections. There are many ways to change your appearance in order to look much younger than your years, and one of them is to get a trendy creative haircut. Rejuvenating haircut, care. To achieve the desired result, refer to the asymmetrical, graduated or elongated versions of this haircut. The most beneficial caret looks in combination with the original bangs. The haircut looks great on perfectly straight hair. To make your image perfect, you need to take into account the shape of the ears, the oval of the face, and the thickness of the neck. By following all the recommendations of experienced stylists for choosing hairstyles, you will always look perfect. Complete the look with the right outfit and you are guaranteed success. When making a hairstyle based on a bob haircut, do not forget that fashionable coloring, balayage or soft ombre, as well as stylish casual styling that will add romance to the image, can give it an added bonus. Rejuvenating pixie haircut for lovers of short haircuts is a great option for creating a modern and dynamic look. A haircut is perfect for everyone. She transmits a feeling of lightness and youth. Also, she perfectly suits those who have a full or round face, giving the oval a sophisticated shape. Modern rejuvenating haircuts with intriguing accents in the form of uneven cuts, layers, torn strands, and asymmetries are in the trend of the upcoming season. They will make your look perky and young, emphasizing your individuality. The uniqueness of the image is the merit of the woman herself, so the choice of hairstyles should be taken with the maximum share of responsibility. Your appearance is the fruit of your labors over beauty and youth. Women always want to look young. Even if she is 60 years old, it is possible to have a youthful and attractive appearance. Despite the fact that there are not so many haircuts that rejuvenate after 60 years, nevertheless, it is possible for absolutely everyone to prolong youth with the help of a rejuvenating haircut or hairstyle. Dear women, no matter how old you are, 40, 50, 60, you will always be beautiful. Just do not forget about yourself, love yourself, take care of yourself, buy apartments, smile more, enjoy life because it is one life. We hope that the video review was useful to you. The best thank you from you is to leave a like and share the video with friends and family. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Up to new meetings.